If you want to test your emails easily, this guide is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to test your HTML letter using Thunderbird. If you haven't downloaded Thunderbird, please do that. Here I have my simple HTML letter, and here's the code. First things first, we want to log in into Thunderbird client, and let's check that our Thunderbird actually can edit HTML letters, because by default it can't. Let's type HTML editor. We are interested in this plugin. Let's edit. Great, it's done. Let's go back to the main section, click new message. And now we have this HTML source button. Let's click it. Here's our HTML editor. I copy my letter, get back to Thunderbird. We save it, and let's see what do we actually have here. So as you can see, our letter is right in front of us, but for some reason we cannot see our images. This is why Thunderbird by default does not allow you to use any images from different internet sources. We want to make sure that this field is active. So once again, we navigate to settings, go to privacy security, and click this, allow remote content and messages. Let's copy and paste our letter once again. Let's save it, and now we can actually see our images. They're all in place. Great. Let's use my test mailbox. The subject is gonna be test email. And let's check this out. We click send, and we're expecting that something is gonna pop up right here. Here's our email. And as you can see, the images are in place. Everything looks great. And here's how you can actually test your HTML emails without any online services or tools. So easy, so simple. Thank you for joining me. Have a good day.